As everybody might be aware that DJ Ollah 7 was arrested yesterday because of cyberbullying and harassment after the interview that he did with Wallyton, where he was actually threatening, dissing some of like Azim celebrities, like for the likes of Mudiwa Hood. Mudiwa Hood is actually the one who went to police and report the case. So DJ Ola was arrested yesterday. He's actually still in police custody. So it seems like the ZANU-PF political party is actually in support of DJ Ola 7 getting arrested, as they actually wrote on their X account that cyberbullying and harassment in terms of section 164B of the Cyber and Data Protection Act, Chapter 12(7), any person who unlawfully and intentionally by means of a computer or information system generates and sends any data message to another person or posts on any material whatsoever on any electronic medium accessible by any person with the intent to coerce, intimidate, harass, threaten, bully, or cause substantial emotional distress, or to degrade, humiliate, or demean the person of another, or to encourage a person to harm himself or herself, shall be guilty of an offense and liable to a fine not exceeding level 10 or to imprisonment for a period not exceeding 10 years, or to both such fine and such imprisonment. So apparently people have just been reacting to this post from the ZANU-PF, asking them that you guys are always cyberbullying opposition members. Are you above the law? And they actually responded saying that they should go to the police and report. Like the opposition members should go to the police and report if they felt like they were once cyberbullied by the ruling party. And some of the comments that actually followed the tweet are that cyberbullying my food lestat never rakashin doma cyberbullies chayiwo tangirai ikoko. And then I'll actually show you the comments. Bully, harass, cause substantial emotional distress, humiliate, quoted. These are subjective states, not probable objectively. This is the most dangerous law. Any WhatsApp message can now be prosecutable until precedent judgments create parameters. We are in trouble. Chivayo can now report everyone on Twitter to the police. Then this law needs revision. It can be weaponized against journalism. Let's get to hear what you think about all this.